Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the connection now. Plug the watch into power until it's at least 50% charged and power it on. Open the Nervfit app and sign in because pairing requires an active account. Once in the app, allow Bluetooth and location access. Without those permissions, pairing can fail. Put the watch into pairing mode by selecting Pair on the device menu. You'll see a blinking Bluetooth icon. Tap Add Device in the app to begin. You'll now complete the middle steps that finalize the link. In the app, choose your exact Nervfit model from the detected devices list and confirm the shown 6-digit code matches the watch. That prevents mispairing. Grant notification and health permissions so calls, heart rate, and activity sync correctly. If the app prompts for a firmware update, accept it and keep both devices near each other. Interruptions can corrupt the update, so make sure battery and Bluetooth remain stable. Once done, verify that steps, heart rate, and sleep data appear in the app and note the last sync time. This confirms communication is working. Customize notifications and watch face options so the device behaves the way you want, and test an incoming call or message to confirm alerts. If syncing stalls or data is missing, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot both the watch and your phone, then unpair and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.